course, something that all sexes have at the end of the digestive system, the anus. The fact that, as I said before, they are shedding both skin and hooves, which are made of about the same thing, skin, hooves, and hair, keratin, which indeed does lead to, well, some sort of recycling. That will actually enter their mouth, as I will show you momentarily, unknown to them, and be recycled. But that's okay, because what is it that they don't have as a fetus that we must have as an adult? Well, there are actually two things that we have to remember. One thing they don't have is bacteria. So it's not a big deal for them to eat their own and digest their own and recycle their own skin, hair, and hooves. I wonder if you can tell me the other thing that they might have lacking that we do have. Well, think about that. We'll get to it in just a moment. Before we go diving inside, we'll take a look in the oral cavity. I understand it is not too appealing, but it is quite revealing. Remember the homologies we were talking about. Most all these parts are indeed in us. So this is an open mouth. There is, that's right, I found this as soon as I opened this mouth, a little bit of shed skin which will be digested. Hard palate behind the snout, soft palate, entry from the nostrils into the what? That area that I'm going to ask you to remember once we get inside that serves two systems, the back of the throat, otherwise known as the pharynx. So what systems does it serve? Well, obviously respiratory. Air's coming in through here and must glide past the epiglottis into the trachea. What other system? Well, why would you have a tongue and teeth unless you're going to eat something? So it serves as well the digestive system, whereupon the epiglottis covers the glottis, that little hole that we just showed you, and allows the food to slide past it without choking into the esophagus. Interestingly, there's a salivary gland. They have very large ones here. And there's a little bit of that recycled keratin. Let's get inside this little piggy.